Yet another consequence of near future climate change impacts are rising sea levels. This phenomenon occurs for two reasons: increased volume of water due to thermal expansion from warming, and increased mass of water due to contributions from melting sea ice. Global averages of relative sea level rise indicate an increase in 4 to 5 inches from 1901 to 1990, but following 1993, the rate of sea level rise has increased substantially. In addition, relative sea level has impacted certain coastlines more so than others, due to variability in landwater storages, ocean dynamics, salinity-driven densities, and wind patterns. For instance, within the Florida Keys, observed sea level rise between 1900 and 1990 was measured at 9 inches. Future projections of sea level rise based on current estimates of global rise rates predict an additional 9 to 24 inches of sea level rise over the next 50 years. Even 9 additional inches in sea level surrounding the Keys would result in extensive tidal flooding, not to mention increased risk of inland flooding from tropical storm events. As such, immediate threats to human health, infrastructure, freshwater resources, and settlements exist. Potential solutions to these threats include costly elevations to roads and buildings, stronger building codes, and insurance coverage availability or premium affordability programs for residents. However, threats to freshwater, wetland, and coastal ecosystems exist as well. Increasingly frequent and intense tropical storm events have the capability of raising relative sea levels well beyond worst-case scenario projections, which could lead to salinization and destruction of freshwater wetlands. Additionally, rising ocean temperatures and wave action will increase rates of coral bleaching and seagrass bed destruction, as well as coastal erosion.